Oh!
I'm a big mama and I'm not afraid of. Now, really stuck. Gotta dig it out.
Dig it out.
Got it. Yeah! Make your own snowball. Something bigger than yours? That would be nice. My snowballs are bigger than Daddy's snowball. No one cares.
I care.
I would care. Nobody would. How's that? You know what? Do you want to put it on Daddy or not? We can win this thing with the big snow.
What are you doing? Jackie. That's not nice.
You said you
I
would
wanna see
get
that
hit
fire.
and I would run away.
Huh?
Come again.
That's not nice. It's gonna hurt me. You gonna hurt Daddy? You don't care? Okay, you know what that means. You get it back. And you get more.
Thanks for the snowball.
Big snowball, big snowball. Big snowball, big snowball. Daddy, I'm rolling it up like a snowman. Big snowman's gonna crush it. Getting bigger. Getting bigger. Getting bigger.
Oh.
Daddy, big mama.
Yeah, Big Mama.
Big mama will help us.
Right to the lens. Wait a second. I can't even see it more. Oh my God. Wait a second. Oh.
Come, Daddy.
No, the camera. I can't see the camera, Jackie. Wait a second.
Yee.
Okay. Oh, let me
Stop.
see. She's going next. Okay.
That's confetti.
What's confetti?
It's confetti.
All right, Victoria. What are you doing with that big thing?
Very good.
Throw it on here.
On me.
Not yet. When it gets bigger.
Okay. Goodbye. Here's one for you.
Maybe I'll throw it out, Jackie.
Yeah, do that right now. That'd be good on camera.
Daddy, let's not have speed. Let's just throw snowballs at each other. I'm trying to make a snowball. I mean, a snowman. Daddy is trying to make a snowman.
Oh. Killing Daddy. You don't care. Okay. Enough. Enough. Did you guys make snow angels?
No,
I did.
You did?
too bumpy.
Too bumpy now? Find a smooth space. You still making your ball?
Girl,
still
it's
gonna
for
go
a
to sleep.
snowman.
Oh, it's for the snowman?
Confetti.
Where should I
Bye
put it?
bye.
You got the head. You need the body. Isn't it cold?
Yeah. Frozen like ice.
I want hot chocolate.
You want hot chocolate? Me too. My hands are freezing.
Me too. Are we getting another blizzard on Wednesday?
A what?
Are we getting another blizzard on Wednesday?
I don't think so.
Aren't we off on Valentine's Day?
No, you're not off.
Why?
It's not a holiday.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Valentine's Day.
It's not a holiday.
Last year was on a Wednesday and we had off.
No.
Yes. Are you gonna give me Peeps?
Peeps.
Peeps.
That's for Easter.
Oh.
Not Valentine's Day.
What
Your
about-
boyfriend's got to give you something.
No.
Who's going to give you something?
Mommy.
Mommy's your boyfriend?
No, you.
Oh, me.
Because you're a boy and you're my friend.
I'm your friend?
You're my friend.
Ooh.
That's not on my pants. That's not on my pants.
You're going to have a lot of boyfriends, only one daddy.
2 daddies.
Who's 2?
You and Uncle Al.
What?
You and Uncle Al.
This makes sense.
I know. I'm being silly.
You are silly. What's the matter with you? Your pants?
No, I got snow on my back. I make sure I don't want to get it right on my back.
Get snow down your pants? You have to get you new pants.
No, it was when I was sitting down. There was snow in my pants.
Oh.
I
What are you doing
remember.
over there? What do you guys, shovel? What are you digging?
My foot.
This will not be a big mountain anymore. Whee!
I can't see with your foot. I can't see with your foot. Your foot? I can't see. You're the queen?
I'm the queen of the
Oh. How'd that taste, Jackie? How'd that taste? How'd that taste? Do it again, Victoria.
No!
Hurry up. Oh, no. What'd you do? Did that hurt? You should try to take it off your face. You should have hit it in the stomach, not the face.
Sorry, I aimed for the wrong thing.
You aimed for the wrong thing?
No, you did it 3 times. You didn't aim for the wrong thing, Victoria.
I hit it in the belly.
No, you didn't. You hit it right in the face.
You hit me
No.
right.
Yes.
The other time.
No, I'm talking about now.
Oh,
You hit it right in the face. You should hit her in the stomach, not the face.
sorry.
Well, that's an apology. How's your face? It's all red. Huh?
It's burning a lot.
All right, let's go inside then.
Okay.
You got enough snow? You
No.
can just play in the backyard if you want, but she should take a shower or something. It's like you stuck ice on your face.
Like a hot summer day, I would like this.
Or something. You can't eat junk. All right,
Maybe like
go next to your
Pimentel.
thing. Yeah.
Like Pimentel.
Well, you gotta get lower. Maybe sit next. Yeah, go on your knees.